Working in kitchens over the years, it definitely does take a toll on you. It's a high energy environment, so it leads to a lot of stress and burnout along the way.
We're in Fiji using some of the world's best wearable technology. We're looking to see whether Fiji's culture can rub off on them to find out if the happiness is contagious. There's no specific chemical signature that tells us whether you're happy.
What did you have like last night?
But we do know that happier people tend to be less stressed, which means they tend to have less of the stress hormone cortisol.
What makes Fiji the happiest place on earth would be the people, it's the culture, it's the environment, it's that connection they have back to nature and to each other as well.
When we're eating raw, unprocessed food, it has profound effects on our body and also our gut microbiome. It also contains the building blocks for our neurotransmitters. And that's really important for making things like serotonin. When you come to Fiji, you remember that this is how life was meant to be. What we've learned is that whether you're sharing food or sharing a connection, there's this abundance of happiness to be found here in Fiji.